So in our last video we saw how you can use props to pass arguments between the components. In this video we will see another example of props, but this time we will pass multiple props. You can also pass multiple props at the time. So create a React Native project and open it on Visual Studio Code. And I opened the iOS simulator here. You can also use Android simulator if you are using Windows machine, and just run it by npm start. So what we will do here is that we will create two text input elements. First one for the name for the user, and second one is the age. And when user enter the age, app will determine if uh, he or she is able to drink or not, and those results we will be printing on the another component which will which will which we will create. So we will pass name and age as the props. So first of all, let me just create two state. First one for the username, by default it will be an empty string. New string, by default it will be 0. First of all, let me just import the text input. So here in view I'll be creating a text input. Placeholder will be name. On change text, we'll be setting whatever the text user input into the name state. Let me also apply the style. I already created the input style, padding and background color. Let me just add margin top. Okay, so this is our first text input. Let me just copy it, paste it, age, set age. Okay, so let me just save it. So we have two input box here. First one is for the name and second one is for the age. Now let us create another component. Let me name it display.js. Here we need to write import statement first. Import React from React, import view from React Native. Also we import this style. Okay, so now we write export default function name will be display, and we will return a view component, just like the app.js. Let me write the text. Here we print the username. Okay, so let me just import the display. Okay, let me just use this component here. Now we will be passing name and age. We are passing two props at the same. So now we are passing two props at the same time. The first one is name and the second one is age. Now let us get back to display. Write props here. Here we will write a if statement. If props dot age is greater than or equal to 18, we'll provide an alert dot alert notice, let's say title, and you can drink. Here we also write the user's name, props dot name. Let me just save it. Let me also save it. Now, so we have created two text input and one component display, and we are passing two props, name and age. We are receiving these props here. We are using age for the computation and we'll be displaying name. So let me just enter. As you can see, our name is displayed here. Let me also just provide style property. Okay, and age, let's say if I enter 24, it says you can drink, and if it's less than 24 then nothing will happen. We can also modify this to say you cannot drink, or you need to wait this much of years to be able to drink. Let's say 20. You can drink. So basically this is how you can use multiple props at the same time. You can create your own component and pass as many as props as you want. So thanks for watching it.